Hi guys, Alicia here. I've had a few questions about the Facebook pixels, so I thought I would jump in here, do a quick live and show you about what is called the Facebook Pixel Helper, which is a little Google Chrome extension that can sit up on the top of your Google Chrome browser bar. Okay, so first of all, I'll show you how to install the Facebook Pixel Helper, and then your pixel, adding it to a landing page, and then checking to making sure it's working correctly. Okay, really handy little thing to have. I use it all the time. So if you're jumping in live, that would be great. I will actually just quickly flip over and see, make sure that this is working and that you can hear me. Just bear with me. So the Facebook Pixel Helper is a Google Chrome extension, like I said. You'll start to notice a lot of pages have it, like Social Media Examiner. Use it, everybody uses it. So I really suggest you do, it's free. So to get the Facebook Pixel Helper in Google Chrome, if you come up here to these three little dots and click it, go to More Tools, go to Extensions. Hopefully this is working first. I do want to just double check my sound. Okay, go to Extensions, and then the Extensions page will open up. Hi everybody, Alicia here. Today Okay, so I'm working. Okay, so the three little buttons, More Tools, Extensions, and then I'll bring you onto here and you'll be able to search. I don't know why I can't search, but you should be able to search. And you'll have here the Facebook Pixel Helper. You may need to search Facebook Pixel Helper and install it. Okay, then it's going to bring it up to up here. And from here, whenever you land on a landing page, you will see, like now it's fired. So if you go back to here, let's see if I can expand that. No, I can't. So that's as big as I can get this. But you'll see that it's actually grey. So if I was to say go to Social Media Examiner, it's now like a light blue color with a little 2. If you click on that, it's going to say there's a green tick and a green tick here. If you click on this page view, the green tick obviously means that the pixel fired and the pixel is working. They have a page view, which is your standard pixel, is a page view on this particular website or blog post. Okay, so that means everything's working. Microdata, I don't really get too concerned about it. They don't have any events or parameters. Oh, they must be for their parameters. They're obviously got some more advanced layers happening in here. But for yourself, basically, you just want to concern yourself with this one. Okay, so what that is, if you go over to Ads Manager, go to Pixels, go to Pixels, click onto your ad account name, and then we go over to Setup, and this is how you actually get your pixel. So there's only one pixel per ad account, okay? I think this really confuses a lot of people. If you've got any questions too, please drop them below. I will keep checking on my phone. And then what you do is you scroll down. Now this here is your pixel code, okay? Facebook pixel code. We copy this and then we go and paste that into a header on a landing page or a header on a website, and that's it, okay? And you can see here that it says track page view, okay? So that's your Facebook pixel. So if I copy that and then say I come over to a ClickFunnels page, what you would do is, if I go just to a normal page, say to my normal opt-in page, so the page where somebody actually opts in, okay, I go to edit it. And then I go up to settings, I go tracking code, and I paste the Facebook pixel in here. Okay, so you can see here, it's got page view. There's nothing else under my Facebook pixel code. So on your actual landing page, you just put the Facebook pixel code. That's it, okay? Nothing else, nothing more, all right? So then what happens is, if there's any questions too, please jump in. Then what happens is you put your Facebook pixel on a page and then you can check it. So if I actually grab this domain, go over to a new window, go paste and go. Now you'll see up here it should fire in this little box there, okay? So you'll see that I've got the page view and I've got the data there, okay? So now what happens is we have the Facebook pixel on that landing page, but we also actually are going to run a conversion ad for this, and we want to track our leads, okay? And now this is really important. So if you want to track your leads in Facebook Ad Manager, then you need to put the lead event at the end of the pixel code on your thank you page. Okay, I will say that again. So if you want to do a conversion ad with a lead event, then you need to get an extra snippet code and put it on the thank you page of your funnel to track the lead, okay? So the way we do this is, first of all, we come in, we get our code again, and we go over to, say, ClickFunnels. We go to our thank you page, edit, same process. Settings, tracking code, and we put our Facebook pixel there, okay? Now you'll see at the very end here, it says end Facebook pixel code. Then I've got this extra bit of code, which is script track lead script, okay? Now this is an event, all right? So now I need to go back over to my Ads Manager. I click continue here. So this is my normal code. You only get one. I go continue. And this is where I actually get my event that I want to track. Okay. I think people get this really confused with, I'm just checking to see if there's any questions on this, because I think people get this really confused. You only get one Facebook pixel, and now this is an event, okay? You are tracking an event that happened on Facebook. So in our instance, on a thank you page, we are going to put generate lead. So then we scroll down and we just want to get this particular piece here. So we copy code, go back to our thank you page, and we paste it at the end here, okay? So if I was to delete that, I put that in, I paste, and there it is, okay? You close out, you save, and you get out. So now what happens is when we run a conversion ad with a lead event, we get someone to land on our landing page, which is this page, which is a view. Then they will enter their information in, and they will land on the thank you page, which is where we track the lead. So now if you go up here, if we go up here, you will see page view, lead, and microdata, don't worry about. Okay, so that means that my lead event got tracked, and back over in your ads manager, if you're running a conversion ad using leads, then you'll be able to track the leads in your ads manager. So here, VB conversions, 23 leads, okay? So that lead is the event that I have been tracking by that funnel, okay? This one's not for that funnel, but it's tracking for the funnel for the thank you page, okay? Now, I hope that clears things up a little bit more when it comes to tracking using an event in Ads Manager for your lead and where you actually go and put your pixel code and your lead event in your landing pages and your wherever else it is that you wish to track your leads and do all that kind of good stuff. Okay, so that's it. If there's any questions, I can see that someone's on. If you've got any questions, go for it. I hope this makes sense and things are a lot clearer now. Let me know if that's helped you and if it's answered any questions that you've possibly had in regards to the Facebook pixel. I think the Facebook pixel just seems to confuse people, but that is pretty much as simple as it gets, and that's pretty much all you really need to know about the Facebook pixel, okay? And how it's going to help you with a real basic funnel to run a conversion ad to get your leads, okay? I will just take it one extra step further, just because we're here. If I was to go create a new ad, conversions, just so you understand where we select the whole lead thing in an ad, okay? So it would be a conversion ad. Go continue. And now up here is where we want to track the lead event, okay? So that is the one that you want. So now every time, so they're going to optimize delivery of your ads to get the most of these conversions at the lowest possible cost. Okay, so Facebook is going to go out and find you leads, people who generally are happy to opt in as a lead. Okay, and that is where you would select it. And everything else, you know, is just standard ad stuff. Okay, all right, I'm going to leave it right there. If anyone who's watching the replay has further questions on this, please drop them below. I'm more than happy to answer your questions and get you moving forward. That's it for me, guys. I hope you got some value out of this. Bye.